Alright, so here sometimes I'm in a situation where I don't want to use the artist pad, or I'm holding the tablet already with one hand, or I'm holding my daughter and I can't reach the buttons without moving her off of my lap. So there's another way we can do this, and I've mentioned this and showed this before. It's using VoiceAttack, brush, pencil, color, color, size, size. Oops, I have to press the side button first. Size, size, erase, erase, delete. Ah! Erase. I mapped recently some old school Nintendo sounds to the different key presses. And I have the entire keyboard mapped, and I think it is the coolest thing. All right, anyway, so if you're using one-handed, the tablet with one hand, you can do this. You can use VoiceAttack in order to create this type of setup, and I'm just going to make this a quick video. If you guys want to know more about this, if this is interesting to you, please let me know, and I will go through the details on how to set this up. So I'll do the same thing I did with another one of my videos on Paint Tool Sci. If this is interesting to you, if there's enough interest from the community, if we get 100 likes on this video, I will happily make the follow-up one so that I'm not wasting my time on things that are not of interest to people, but using it to help me pick the best choices for the channel and for you guys. All right, I hope you guys liked this video. Please share it so we get to that 100 likes quickly. Please subscribe to the channel, click notifications, and you guys, thank you so much. Have a great day, and until next time, stay creative.